why your sales process is costing you money, and how to fix it. Well, if your sales team is discounting to close deals, the problem isn't pricing, it's the sales process. Today, I'm breaking down why good, better, best options close more tickets, and how to sell on value instead of price. This is how real operators build real revenue without racing to the bottom. Most businesses don't actually have a sales process. They have quotes, prices, and hope. The moment price is the only lever you have, you've already lost control of the sale. Customers don't buy cheaper. They buy safer. They're buying clarity and confidence. Your job in sales is not to convince them, it's to reduce uncertainty. One of the biggest mistakes I see is only offering one option. When you give one option, the customer only has one question. Is this too expensive? When you give 3 options, good, better, best, something powerful begins to happen. People don't want the cheapest anymore, they want the right choice. Good sets the baseline, better becomes a safe option, and best becomes the aspirational option. Now the conversation shifts from price to value. And instead of selling a service, you're selling outcomes, confidence, and a 5-star experience. Value is not features. Value is clarity. Customers are paying more when they understand what problems you're solving. What risk are you removing? What experience are they getting? If you rush to price, you skip the trust. And before price ever comes up, the customer should feel understood, educated, and confident in the right solution. If price is the first objection, value wasn't built. Rapport isn't being friendly. It's being clear. Customers trust people who ask better questions, who slow the process down, and explain the why versus the what. Trust is built when the customer feels like you're guiding them, not selling them. The best salespeople don't push, they lead. 5-star experiences don't start after the sale, they start during the sale. The sales process sets expectations for communication, professionalism, and follow-through. If the sales process feels rushed or confusing, the service will feel the same. A clean sales process creates confident customers, and confident customers spend more and complain less. Operators don't chase deals. They build systems that close consistently. Good, better, best. Value before price. And trust before commitment. This is how you increase your average tickets, your close rates, and referrals all at the same time. If your sales process feels inconsistent, discount-driven, or even chaotic, that's not a people problem. It's a structure problem. At Hightower Growth Partners, we help businesses install real operating systems for sales, growth, and execution. Subscribe for more operator level breakdowns, and if you're serious about fixing how your business runs, book a clarity call.